Math 6 Plus, Unit 10 Major, percent and percent application. Question 1. Bert answered 85% of the test questions correctly on his math test. Which statement can represent how Bert performed on the math test? A. The test contained 20 questions. Bert answered 16 correctly. B. The test contained 20 questions. Bert answered 15 correctly. C. The test contained 40 questions. Bert answered 34 correctly. D. The test contained 40 questions. Bert answered 33 correctly. Question 2. A company held a taste test study with its new fruit snacks. In the study of 1,000 students, half the students tasted a plain fruit snack and half tasted a fruit snack with peanuts added. In the group that tasted the plain fruit snack, 60% said they would eat the fruit snack again. In the group that tasted the snack with peanuts added, 22% said they would eat the snack with peanuts again. How many students in the study said they would eat the type of snack they tasted again? A. 41, B. 82, C. 410, D. 820. 3. Adrian operates the milkshake machine at Burgers and Shakes. On Monday, she added whipped cream to 112 milkshakes. This was 68% of the total milkshakes sold. About how many milkshakes were sold at Burgers and Shakes on Monday? A. 36, B. 76, C. 165, D. 350. Question 4. Allie's Bakery has 36 parking spots in front of the store. 11 of the parking spots are currently empty. What percent of the parking spots rounded to the nearest percent are filled with customer cars? A. 23%, B. 31%, D. 69%, D. 77%. Question 5. Last season, the St. Paul's High School basketball team won 15 games and lost 25 games. What percent of the games were won by the school? A. 37.50%, B. 40%, C. 60%, D. 62.50%. Question 6. To the nearest percent, determine the percentage of sad faces seen in the diagram below. Number 7. Shanti has completed 28 math problems this week, which is 80% of the assignment. How many problems total did she have to complete? Question 8. The Jackson family ate out for lunch. The bill was $32.90. If they plan to leave a 10% tip, what will their total bill be? Round to the nearest cent. Question 9. Which of the following images shows the highest percent shaded? Question 10. A YouTube channel has 160 videos of makeup tutorials. If this is 80% of the total number of videos posted on this channel, what is the total number of videos that this channel has? A. 128 videos, B. 240 videos, C. 80 videos, D. 200 videos. Number 11. Elena deposits $1,500 in a savings account that earns 3% simple interest per year. If no deposits or withdrawals are made during the year, how much money will be in her account after 1 year? A. $1,530, B. $1,545, C. $45, D. $1,950. Question 12. Dick's raises the price of tennis rackets from $35 to $42.50. What is the percent of increase rounded to the nearest percent? A. 82%, B. 21%, C. 18%, D. 33%. Question 13. Mrs. Weddle bought her husband a watch that usually costs $65.50, but was on sale for 30% off. What is the sale price of the watch? Question 14. A salesperson set a goal to earn $2,000 in May. He received a base salary of $500 per month as well as a 10% commission for all sales in that month. How much merchandise will he have to sell to meet his goal? A. $150, B. $200, C. $50, D. $15,000. And number 15. If Tommy guessed there were 65 marbles in the jar, but there were actually 80 marbles in the jar, what is Tommy's percent error? A. 81.25%, B. 18.75%, C. 1.25%, D. 23%.